Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the car and phone can speak the same language: Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, or Android Auto. Put the ignition to accessory so systems power up. Make sure the vehicle is stationary. On your phone, turn on Bluetooth and location, then open the navigation app so it's ready. Once done, enable any required permissions and set the car's head unit to pairing mode. You're initiating the secure handshake that will let maps and directions stream smoothly to the display. You now complete the pairing and configure navigation settings. Select the vehicle name on your phone's Bluetooth list and confirm any PIN. This authenticates the connection. If using CarPlay or Android Auto, you'll pick wired or wireless mode. Plug a high-quality USB cable if needed to ensure stable data. Then open your map app, set routing preferences, and map orientation so turn prompts make sense to you. Make sure navigation audio is routed to car speakers and set a comfortable volume level. You finish by testing a short route and verifying voice prompts and turn-by-turn guidance arrive through the car speakers. If you see GPS lag or no signal, first check phone location is active, restart the phone, and move the car to an open area to regain sky view. If problems persist, repair the devices and check for app or head unit firmware updates. Keeping both updated fixes many bugs. One key tip: replace a damaged USB cable or use the manufacturer-recommended adapter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.